A very good evening to all of you present here. Today I want to tell you about the butterflies. First, the Puridae. The Puridae are the large family numbers especially found in 1100 species, and it was created by the William Jones Swanish in 1820, and it is mostly found in tropical Africa. Now, the second is Adonis blue. It is also known as the Polymatus bellucus, and it is found in and it is a family of Lycaenidae, and it is the habitat of the realm. Now the monarch butterfly, the most iconic butterfly with the orange wings, black veins and the white marking, and it is also known as the common tiger butterfly. Now the last one is the common blue. The common blue butterfly is the family of the Lycaenidae, and it is also known as the Polymatus icanus. Thank you and have a great day.
Morning to all of you. Today I Diksha is going to tell you about different species of butterflies. So first is monarch. These may be the most familiar North American butterflies. Its scientific name is Danacus spexippus. Second is swallowtail butterfly. These are large colorful butterflies and included over 550 species. Third is Peripidae. It has 76 genera containing 1100 species, mostly from tropical Africa. Next is skippers. Its scientific name is Hesperidae and included 6 subfamilies. Next is marble white. Its scientific name is Melargia gynthia from the family of Nymphadea. And the last one is sugar butterfly. These are yellow, pink, and get their different shades from the same pigment. This was all about the different species of butterfly. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I Apurva is here to tell you about the different species of butterflies. So here is Papilio helenus. Papilio helenus is a red helen, is a large swallowtail found in forests of southern India and parts of southern East Asia. Now there is Hestina persimilis. Hestina persimilis, the syren is an East Palearctic syren species butterfly found in western China, Shimla to Assam and Orissa. The larva feeds on Celsis, Australia. Now there is Euplea mulcivar. Euplea mulcivar, the striped blue crow, is a butterfly found in India and Southeast Asia that belongs to the crows and tigers. Now there is Ixispirine. Ixispirine lineage 1764. Yellow orange tip. It's having the yellow orange tip and it's a subspecies in India. Now it's Papilio mamnon. Papilio mamnon, the great mormon, is a large butterfly native to southern Asia that belongs to the swallowing family. It's widely distributed and 13 subspecies. Now it's Vindula elota. Vindula elota, the common creature, is a species of nymphlate butterfly found in terrestrial areas of tropical South Asia. Now there is Triumla septentrion's. Is the dark blue tiger, is a diamond butterfly found in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good evening, ma'am. Today, our Kaushiki is here with my activity on butterfly. So, in my activity, I have explained about 12 species of butterflies, which are monarch butterfly, painted lady, cabbage white, red admiral, old world swallowtail, mooring clock, gulfit lady, eastern tiger swallowtail, orange tip, peacock butterfly, cloudless sulfur, zebra longwing butterfly. But in the video, I am going to explain only about 3. So first is monarch butterfly. It is also known as Danacus spexippus. It is one of the most recognizable and well studied butterfly. Its orange tip is laced with black lines and bordered with white dots. It is famous for its seasonal migration. My next butterfly is peacock butterfly, which is Aglaus I. So these are the strong flyer and can travel long distances. It has nomadic instinct, and instead of having permanent homes, it travels all the time. Just like all other butterflies, peacock butterfly can detect red, green and yellow color. My last butterfly is cloudless sulfur, which is also known as Phoebus senile. So in these butterflies, males are of solid yellow color and females are of yellow color with black border on their wings and dark spot at the center of each forewing. Male sulfur butterflies can also display some seasonal dimorphism. So thank you. That's all about my activity.